Welcome to a Business Manager, LinkedIn Ads Business Manager tutorial. I'm going to keep it really simple, really quick, because it's kind of the layer that's not that important. It's more of an admin layer. The majority of stuff you're going to be doing is actually in Campaign Manager, which is a different Campaign Manager and Business Manager. Campaign Manager is where you do the majority of the stuff. You do all the ads, you do all the conversion tracking, you do everything happens in Campaign Manager pretty much. That's the most important part. I've got a whole massive tutorial that I make every single year, and I've made one for this year as well, which goes over all the new things that have come out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But Business Manager, which you can find at business.linkedin.com/marketing _solutions/business _manager. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. But basically, once you can sign up to it there. And what you need to do is you get basically access to this. And what this is, and it's really useful, is when you, for example, are an agency and you want to run other people's LinkedIn ads, or you are running ads in a company and you want to give different people different layers of access to different things. So it's kind of like the organizational layer in your kind of ads platform. Really, this never used to exist before, and this is quite a new thing. If you want to, let's start with giving access to an agency or giving access to someone else to your own business manager. You can make partnerships. So you can do that by adding a partner. So you basically got to ask them to, put that in here and they can add you as a partner. So you ask them, what's your number? You put it in there. That's great. Or you can just give yours and they can add you. So once they become a partner, then they don't actually get access to anything yet. What you actually have to do is click into the person that, the place where they got access, and then you can actually share your ad account. You can share your audiences, and you can share the pages. So you should share that with them and give them as high access as possible. But the first thing you need to do is actually, when you're fresh in here, to set up your own account, you need to add your own account and add your people. So the people tab is really simple. You go to people and you can literally just type in all the people you want to add to this and the different levels. So if you invite people, you can invite them as a contractor, employee, or admin, and just type in their emails with a comma, and you can add all of them there. So that once they're added there, that's great. These are people who don't actually have access to anything yet, but that you're going to have the people there so you can give them access. Once they're there, you can go to your ad account, and you need to add your ad account as well. So you need to add account. And you have different ways of doing it. Claim ownership with a CSV file. That's normally if you have loads of them, or request access to ad accounts owned by other businesses in bulk. So this is bulk access. The one you probably will be doing is just claim ownership. So if you click on claim ownership, you need to get your ad account or campaign manager code, which again is this one here. So to get a campaign manager, you go to For Business and you go down to advertise. And I won't click on that because I'll show all my client accounts, but there it'll pop up too. So you can actually open your own campaign manager, not business manager. And then you'll have that, and you can copy this code, and that's where you can add your ad account here. So basically you have the ad accounts, and you can add an ad account, claim ownership, and put that code right there. Once you have an ad account here, you can click into the ad account and add people. And so, for example, all those people you added before, you can tick them in and you can add them to the ad account. Once they're added there, they can actually go into Campaign Manager, which is really great. So that's access there. You can also give them access to match audiences, the pages, the conversions, and any publisher list you've created. So that's all related to that. It's pretty simple. And just to give you one last overview, the way I would do it for your own sake is you come here and you straight go to people, you add the people, you come to the ad accounts, you add your ad account, and you add your page here. So basically you go to pages and you can add a page. So add a page. And once you have all that, then you are good to go basically. And after that, you can add other partners. So you can go, hey, we want to work with Kin. They're an amazing agency and we love Phil so much. So let's work with them. And so you're going to ask Kin, hey, can we get your business manager one? This is a test account, so it's not this one. But I'll give you that number. You put it in there, you add a partner, and then you can actually add us to the ad accounts. So this is a small tutorial on Business Manager. Hope it was super useful, and I'll see you guys very soon. Quick shout out, by the way, we have a lot of freebies. If you sign up to my newsletter, you get access to LinkedIn ad templates, which are all of these, so you can get really inspired really well. my LinkedIn Ads OS, which goes into so much detail about how we run LinkedIn ads. Each module has a video and all this kind of stuff, super useful. Deep dive playbooks. This is one of full funnel strategy, watched 805 times here. LinkedIn thought leader ads, so much goodie. So sign up. I'll leave some descriptions link below, and I'll see you guys in some more tutorials.